Hello guys, my name is Robert Barry and I want to thank you guys for watching this training video today. And in this training video today, I want to teach you guys how to properly copy and paste your unique company URL to Facebook. And so a lot of our affiliates, our members of the Power Lead system has been asking within our Facebook group, why aren't they able to post their unique company URL directly on to Facebook? And the reason why they are unable to do that is, for example, if a network marketing company has hundreds and thousands of affiliates within that opportunity, and Facebook sees that they are posting their unique company URL on their Facebook pages, they're posting them in groups. Facebook is going to notice that this unique URL is being posted to the platform thousands and thousands of times over, and so it comes off as spammy. It comes off as it starts to raise a lot of red flags, and Facebook will protect their platform from all of those sorts of spammy links. Okay, and to just give you a greater idea or an even in-depth understanding of why they do it and what is a company unique link. And so let's say if you join network marketing one-on-one, and then you get your name as the shortened link, and so it would be network marketing dash Robert Barry, or network marketing slash Joe, network marketing slash Mary. Network marketing is the name of the network marketing company. And so or each one of us on the front end, it's going to say network marketing and then slash and whoever the affiliate is. And so it is not your name, so to speak, that is spammy, but it is the company name. And so Facebook blocks that. But I'm here today to tell you that there is a way for you, and I'm going to teach you the proper way of being able to post your unique company website. Okay, so just before I get into that, what you guys are looking at is one of the capture pages for my business. Well, one of my business, because we all know having multiple streams of income is super powerful, you know, due to what's happening in the world right now. Work from home is the number one sought industry, because as long as you have a laptop and internet or smartphone, you are able to make an extra income online. And so if you guys are struggling to get leads, traffic, and turning those leads into business partners, my website link will be at the very bottom. This platform teaches you how to master all of that under one umbrella, under one company. Okay, so I think I would leave also my Facebook contact just for you guys to be able to reach me. But if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment or leave your question under this video. Also, I would like for you to subscribe and share the video, and be sure to click the bell. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can begin to post your unique company website to Facebook. And so for those who may not know, there is a company where you guys can go ahead and purchase domains from. Okay, you have GoCheap, you have GoDaddy. All right, so at this time I'm going to go over to GoDaddy real quick. GoDaddy, GoDaddy. And guys, a domain name costs you maybe $5-10. So I'm in the back office of my GoDaddy account. And one thing that I love about, and I think is important when it comes to domain name, a domain name helps network marketers, professional network marketers in branding themselves. And what I mean by that is, if you are lost as to what you want for a domain name, it is always a wise decision to use your name. And so if I am Robert Barry, I will use, for an example, success with Rob, work with Rob, Robert Barry .org, Robert Barry Jr.com, or something along those lines. And so if you guys can just take a look right here, I've purchased a domain name within GoDaddy, and the name of this domain is www.workwithrob.org. Okay, and if you guys can see right to here, I've purchased this domain name for $9.99 per year. And so at the end of every year, I have it set to automatically renew. Okay. Also, I am now going to take you guys in the back office of my Power Lead system. Okay, so right now we're on the front page of my Power Lead system. Okay, and so you guys want to know now another very exciting thing, and I think it makes it easier for a lot of persons that come in and partner with me within the Power Lead system. Instead of going outside of the platform to either Namecheap or to GoDaddy to purchase your domain name, you have the option of purchasing a domain name within the back office of your Power Lead system. And so if you want to navigate to there to purchase a domain name, I'll show you guys here. You're going to click on website, go down to the drop down menu, and you're going to see buy domain name. Okay, so once you come to this page, you can see that you can purchase a domain name within the back office of the Power Lead system for just $17.97, and that is for the year. And all of the benefits with purchasing a domain name is listed as follows. Now, here is where you would create your domain name: Success with Mary, Work with Rob. You can just type it in here, and then you have the options of using .com, net, or org. And so you would go ahead and just click is to see if this domain is available. It will let you know this domain name is available, and then there's a list, 3 boxes that you would click, and then you could go ahead and purchase. Okay, I'll just show you guys quick. Success with Rob. So I'm going to click to see if this is available. Okay, if you guys can see that domain name is taken. Okay, Success with Robert. Of course, that would be taken already. That's taken already. Okay, big biz. Let's try this. Big business with Rob. Let's see if that's available. Okay, so big business with Rob is available. And so these are the 4 boxes that you would click, right? And then you go ahead and charge it to your credit card. Now, if you guys see here, I would have went ahead and purchased my domain outside of the Power Lead system of GoDaddy. And so now let's say if I wanted to take Work with Rob and I wanted to migrate it into the back office of the Power Lead system, what I will do is come to the company's website, come down to where it says transfer domains. I will click on that. I would enter the company's, the Work with Rob, my domain name within that I purchased in GoDaddy. I would click show instructions. A list of instructions would come up, and it would take up to a maximum of 3 hours. Normally it's done within seconds, but the system gives it up to about 2 to 3 hours for it to migrate and bring it on over to the back office of the Power Lead system. Now, I want to show you guys how it is done. Once that is done, and now you're able to go ahead and post within Facebook wall, Facebook pages. Okay, let me show you. So I'm just going to simply, so if you guys can see here, this is one of my domain subdomains, and it says leads into cash.workwithrob.org. Okay, so I'm simply going to paste this text ad. I'm going to go over to Facebook. Right, I'm going to paste a text copy. So as you guys can see here, leads into cash. I'm simply going to click post. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. No problem. The ad is posted inside of a work from home opportunity. All right. I hope that this video has helped someone out there. Like I said, if you're struggling to get leads, traffic, and sales, this will be the capture page that you want to go ahead, click the link below, enter in your email address, and it's going to give you a set of instructions to follow. This platform will help you with leads, traffic, and turning those leads into business partners. Okay, my name is Robert Barry, and you guys continue to be safe during this pandemic. And I will see you guys on another video shortly.